Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Samsung Galaxy A05 device. So first of all, choose English US and then click on OK. After that, tap to start. Just agree to all and then agree here. Now, if you want to copy the data, so all you guys have to do just select Galaxy or Android device, iPhone or iPad. But I am selecting setup manually because I want to set it manually. Okay, now choose your Wi-Fi network. Okay, after choosing the network, just click next. As you see, getting your phone ready, and this may take some time. So after that, guys, it required your email. Just enter your email here. Now click next and then enter the password. After entering password, just click next and then click on yes, I am in. Then click I agree. If you want to copy the data, you can click next, but I don't want to copy data, so click don't copy. After that, click next. Make sure that you guys can also follow these same method so that you doesn't face any problem. Then click next and then click accept. If you want to set password right now, you can set it, but I am skip it anyway. If you want to set assist your assistant with Hey Google, you can set it. Just click no thanks, turn off, and then click skip here. Now it required your Samsung account here. If you have Samsung account, so you can add here, and if you don't have any account, all you guys have to do just click here and click on set up later in settings. Now we are almost done. Just click skip, all optional, and agree. Now click agree. I'm selecting light theme because I like the most. Now click next. So as you guys see, you are all set up. Click finish, click done, and then press continue. Or you guys can also click later. You guys don't want to set it now. These are the recommendation app, by the way. Click the yes. So as you see that your phone is now all set to use. And this is how we can set up Samsung Galaxy A05 device by the starting. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.